For for loop. So let's begin. What is a for loop? For loop is used when you know the number of repetition for something. For example, if I want to print, let's say, if I want to print hello world, right? And I want to print it 5 times. So when I don't know for loop, of course I will copy it and I will keep pasting the code for 5 times. Right, so it's 1 2 3 4 5, and when I run it I'll get this result. But of course I don't want to write it this way. As you know, the programmers are always lazy, so we find a shorter way to do something, right? So in this case, we know the number of repetition. We know that we want hello world to be printed 5 times, right? So first, to start for loop, I'll write for. Simply, this is the syntax for the for loop, and I'll initiate the value of the integer I, which is, I'll initiate it with 0, right? And then this is the initial value. Always remember, this is the initial value. You declare it, right? And then you have the condition. Like, the condition is basically, once the condition is met, the loop will stop running. So let's say we want the hello world for 5 times. So let's say I is less than 5, because we are starting, our initial value is 0. And then let's say I plus plus, right? So what is it here? This is our initial value. This is our condition. Once this condition is met, once I is equals to greater than or equals to 5, the loop will stop running. So what will happen now? When we say print hello world, right, it will print it for 5 times, because when I is equals to 0, I is less than 5, okay, we are fine with the condition because I is still less than 5, and then I plus plus, right? So I is equals to 0, the loop will run, and then I plus plus, this I will become 1 this time. Then again 1 is less than 5, okay, I plus plus, condition run, sorry, the for loop will run, and again this time I will become 2. So this I plus plus, basically after each printing it will increase the value of I by 1. So 2 is less than 5, yes it is, so it will print again, and next time the loop is running, I becomes 3, and it will print it again because 3 is less than 5. And after this printing it will become 4, and 4 is less than 5, so it will print again. And once we come here, I is equals to 5 and I is less than 5, no, it is not, because here 5 is not less than 5, 5 is equals to 5, and the loop will stop this time, it won't print anything. So let's see by running it. Here you see it printed hello world for 5 times, right? But what if it's 5 here? The loop won't print anything, because, sorry, because we are not fulfilling the condition. I is not less than 5, I is equals to 5 this time. So the loop will stop. But what if it's 4? It will only print once, because it's 4, it's less than 5, I plus plus, it prints this statement and then goes back, and once it goes back, it's equal to 5. So 5 is not less than 5. We are not fulfilling the condition here. That's why the loop will stop. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, you can ask me below in comments, and please subscribe for future tutorials. If you want a tutorial, anything specific, please let me know and I'll be happy to help you. Thank you.